All right, good morning, guys. YouTube people, world, whoever, wherever. Welcome back to Half Fast 719. As you can see, I got. Sorry, man, I gotta clear my throat. We got boxes. We got a lot of bags in here. Amazon, Temu, eBay, Rocky Mountain ATV. So I guess we could just go with it. This is old stuff. It's from Bobcat that I ordered. I had it last week and didn't get to put the hoses on the skid steer back there. A T300. So I guess I'm just gonna go through it all and tell you where I got it. This it's just some different O-rings. They're supposed to be siliconized O-rings. Temu. This little sucker tube that is for something. I think it was like $3. Anyway, it's got something in it. I don't know. Anyway, it's just a little syringe because I was going to use it for this. So, but this is from Rocky Mountain. This is from Temu. So Temu, it's like $3. It's a little syringe type of deal. These are those little zip tie things to hold like inner wheel wells on. And basically like a zip tie type of deal. But anyway, I need those for a couple of things, like a blind hole basically. You got a hole in a hole, backside. You can't get to the backside, or something. You put the zip tie piece through it, then you put the little washer piece on the top and boop, pull it through. That was Temu. This is Temu. Have not opened this yet. Box does not look promising, but it's a Speddy 18-piece funnel engine kit. Good old Speddy. So, lid, funnel. It's a hard plastic. The reason why I bought it, for one, it was cheap. Oh, these are pretty cool. Little magnetic things that can go on the toolbox. Boop. Huh, interesting. Pretty cool. It's got all the fittings, the on and off one. Pretty cool. I like that. Reason is, I bought this one off of Amazon, and this one barely has any threads. So I'm gonna see if any of these have more threads. Not the same. I'm just gonna throw it in there as I go. Oh, these are the holders that go onto there. Hold these. Not the same. Not the same. But anyway, yeah, it doesn't fit on my Dodge truck, is what I'm getting at. So this one might be it. Yep, looks like that one's it. This one, Kia, Hyundai. Yeah, so this one, that was the other thing. It wouldn't fit on the Kia either. So this is the one I need. This is the one I bought from Amazon. And yeah, it doesn't have any threads to do anything with, so. Anyway. So yeah, I'll be replacing that one and sticking this one on magnets and stuff. But well, I guess it could be this one too. This is Honda Nissan. Pretty cool. Almost the same threads. Maybe a little different. But we have an Acura, so this one it's pretty cool. They say it on there. Adza, Ford, Volvo. I don't know what those cars are. Subaru. Toyota, Audi, VAG, VAG, GM, Ford. Let's see, what is this? Chrysler. Huh. Interesting that they would send 3 almost identical ones. But anyway, weird funnel thing. Anyway, that's what we got. I'll keep all those in there. Comes with those magnet things. Pretty cool. And again, this was Temu. I think it was like 33 bucks on the Temu. So I think I paid like 40 bucks for that one and haven't even been able to use it. What else we got? This from Temu. This Phillips screwdriver. It is a special Phillips screwdriver because it's short and it's real narrow. But yeah, it's specifically designed for something I need. I'm just kidding, guys. It's not at all. But we got all these little bullets. It looks like a bunch of them are empty. It's supposed to be 100 of these. So these are little bullets. I opened this and I was like, what the heck did I buy? And I was thinking, dang, they just threw this in there and it's not even for me, but COVID. But yeah, a lot of them are, not a lot of them, but I'm gonna spread them all out. So, like this, empty, but there's no loose ones in here. So, and what they are is little rubber pieces, or no, like a rubberized screw. So if you get a nail or screw in your tire, you're supposed to put this in there. It's like siliconized. It's basically just a silicone plug. So I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. I think they were like $2.50 or $3 for this whole pack. So, and it comes with that Phillips screwdriver that will most likely just go in the trash. I don't know, maybe not. I don't know, trash. But anyway, so that's what that is. What else from Temu? Oh yeah, these little pads, they go into your oil pan to prevent splashback. I think they were like $3 or $4, but I don't know if they grow. But you stick them in the bottom of your oil pan when you change oils and stuff, and if you have an open container one, and it prevents splashback. Okay, Temu. What else? Temu. This. Nothing, a little bit. Temu. Dial bore gauge. So I spent on all these Temu items, I think it was like $187 total. So for the chain, I guess we can do the chain. Bought this chain. Has different connectors to like hook up stuff, like different avenues of like different bracketry for cars and stuff. Has the big J hook. Comes with the clevis. Not the best clevis, if at all. And the nut is looser than I don't know. That's a lot of tolerance on that nut to this bolt. But what do you expect? It is 5/8 apparently. Forged 5/16, 5/8. 9,000 pounds. This is supposed to be grade 70, so it's supposed to be 70 ton or something. It just says 15 inches. Doesn't even have a rating on it. That's funny. 5/16 somehow. That's 5/16. 5/16. 5/16. So I guess it's all the diameter of the piece that it goes into. These basically chain is 5/16 diameter. Anyway, I think this was like $27 or $30, but I thought it was just this. I didn't know that was extra, so bonus. Okay, we'll do this bore dial indicator, but it's a dial bore gauge. Range from 2-inch to 6-inch, graduating to 1/1000th of an inch, I believe that's what it says. So comes with these little spacers, and I don't know how precise these are. It has a little ball on it. But I don't like plastic bags. Plastic bags trap moisture. Anyway, sorry guys, the bag is all glued. That is bag material. It's super oily. It's oil or whatever they put in it. But yeah, anyway. Yes. Look at this. Nice. Oh man. Gotta love the Temu. Wheels roll. Jeez. Oh. They don't roll. Anyway, yeah, not the best quality of stuff. This doesn't seem too bad. The threads are a little bit wonky, but yeah, I don't know. I can't remember the price on this. It was like $13. How do they even get that out? Or in there? Oh, I gotta undo these screws. I'm not gonna mess with it. Anyway, it's a little thing. Measures bore like cylinder bores, basically holes from 2 inches to 6 inches apparently. But anyway, so we got from Temu there. What else did we get? Oh, I bought some Loctite from Temu. This is thread looker. That's funny. Oh, jeez. That's hilarious. Oh, my camera don't want to focus, but thread. Does it even say thread? THREAD looker. If you need some thread looker, some high strength thread looker, you can go to Temu. Thread looker. That's funny. That's a good one. Anyway, got that off of Temu. What else? Temu, I got this thing. This is pretty cool. I said that I was playing with it for like 2 minutes last night. It's wireless. I mean, it has a battery in it somewhere. Oh, charge it right there. But Oh, what do I have right here? I need to know what that little resistor says. Let's see. Oh, it's Dr. Dre. The DRE. This wasn't planned, but that's cool. You can look at the circuit board. You can go closer. Get right up on it. You can adjust it. Boom. That's pretty cool. I don't know what else it does, but oh, jeez. You can even see the lens that's all scratched. That's the lens. That's funny. So I wonder if you take that off. Oh, what does that do? Oh, you can take that lens off. Oh my gosh, it's like crystal clear. Holy cow. Batman? It's crazy. Crystal clear. Anyway, this is from Temu. Pretty cool. Bye. Alright, done with Temu. On to eBay. eBay. We got seal driver for my dirt bike. So seal driver for the dirt bike and seals for the dirt bike for the front forks. They're not blown, but I'm gonna replace them because I'm gonna change all the fluid. The fork seal bullets that go over it. We got a belt for the lip for the treadmill. That's pretty much for eBay. Amazon. Some of these tie down brackets. Rocky Mountain. We got some brake fluid, 5.1. We got some fork oil for my bike. Oil filter for the Yamaha. We got a fork wrench. And then I bought this. I think this is how you have to do the forks on those KTMs. What else did we get? I went to Rocky Mountain. It's a carburetor kit and jet kit. It's all in here. I took it, I opened it and put all the gasket, kit, everything inside here. Got some straps, the Tusk straps for my bike. I don't like the straps that are on it now. But anyway, guys, that's all we got. So I'm gonna go use those right now. This was from last week. Some other stuff. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Later.